Hey Jim, nice
Hey,
to see
Nick.
you.
Yeah, great to see you too.
So we're outside as everybody's arriving for Bristronica to set up.
Absolutely.
Hey Marco,
There he is, the big man.
and we've got some catering, and
Yeah.
so this is the new entrance, right?
This is the new entrance for 2025. Yeah, so if you came last year, you would have entered like over the other side of the building.
Yep.
And this year, the entrance has changed, so you've got to walk around the building. We've put up some lovely signs with references to Dieter and synths and Machina, and you can follow those signs around to here to this beautiful red gate that is currently covered with vans because
So
everybody's
is it,
loading in.
Pennywell Road to James Street. No, Pennywell Road to White Street to James Street.
This is James Street, yeah.
Let's go in then.
Yeah, let's go in. We're going to meander through all these vans, which are bringing
Yeah.
lots of synths into
All
the
the gear's
event.
coming.
Yeah. So here we are. You're going to be greeted with this lovely red gate, and you're going to be greeted by Fee at the box office. She's going to sort you out, and here we go. We're in the courtyard of Machina Bristronica 2025. I guess the first thing you'll see is the DivKit stage. It's
Div
in
Kit stage, yes.
Yeah.
Pride of place.
Pride of place. It's in the same place as it was last year, but we've got some upgrades for this year, and I think it looks really good. I think it looks really sexy. We've kind of blacked out the whole thing. We put some nice lighting in here, so it just looks suave and sophisticated. You know, it's kind of. You might remember last year it was just a white tent, but this year it's got more of a vibe. You know, we're very happy with it.
Yeah. I want to see a mirror ball.
Yeah,
not up yet, right? That's coming.
That's on the DivKid rider. Yeah, that's coming up. Yeah,
Nice.
Don't you worry. So yeah, what else have we got in the courtyard? So we've got all of the food vendors down at the end there. So if you're getting hungry, if you're getting peckish, you can sort yourself out there. We've got 2 coffee machines this year because you
Nice.
need to be caffeinated when you're walking around watching the synths. And yeah, something new for 2025. We've got the e-waste swap shop. We've got our guy Mike here. And Mike is manning the whole thing. If you have something that you need to fix, you can bring it to Mike and he can do it. Or if you have something that you just don't know what's wrong with it, Mike might be able to give you some advice. And then also the idea is, if you've got stuff clogging up your studio that maybe you just don't want anymore, or you don't know if it's even worth keeping, instead of throwing it away, bring it here, put it on the table. And the idea is, you know, you can swap little
I'm
bits.
guessing there'll
with
be a queue.
There'll be a queue, yeah, no doubt. But yeah, it's a kind of nice little idea for the community to keep musical instruments out of
Yeah,
landfill,
nice.
you know?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So that's what you're going to get out in the courtyard of Machina 2025. So let's make our way inside, hey? So we're going to be coming around this corner, and this is going to be the main entrance, and you're going to be entering into the live room like it was last year. You're going to be greeted by, this year, nice little wall of TVs. Going to be.
Oh, excellent. Oh, they seem to be powered down. That's a
Oh
shame.
my goodness, they've been on
But,
all
yeah.
day, but hey, that's a nice special surprise for when you arrive tomorrow.
Excellent.
Some fun little glitchy, cool weirdness.
So this is the performance area, right?
This
So a
is
lot
the
of
live room, yeah, and honestly, I think this room looks so cool. I love the strip lights on the poles, and yeah, we've been tuning the system today. It is huge.
Well,
and
that's the one thing that you guys do very well is a great sound system and great music programming, frankly.
great
yeah.
music programming, but well, I'm the marketing guy, so I can say there's great music programming, but also amazing like visual artists as well. Like it always looks incredible, right?
Yeah.
So we've got this amazing visual sort of screen behind, the lights, the music. This room is going to kick off, and
This
it's
is very challenging for my poor little CCD.
well, we'll go this way. But yeah, it's a really ambitious like live lineup that we've programmed this year, and I'm really excited to. I'm sad that I can't just be here all weekend and
Yes.
watch it, you know. But yeah, so it's going
So
to be.
then, and then this is the main room.
And this is the main synth room, and this is what it looks like on a Friday. So not too dissimilar from what you're going to see tomorrow morning. We got everyone loading in. We got everything kind of happening. People building stuff. This is a beautiful installation.
Like
here
that, yeah.
You can just get up and close and personal.
Does it
with
have
and-
a descriptive title?
Does it have a descriptive title? Why don't we ask Joe? Okay. Hey Joe, does this installation have a descriptive title?
It's called Bloom. Bloom.
Bloom. So it's kind of
Bloom.
bloom. Oh, so like they're
Yeah.
like sort of flowers. Yeah. Sort
Or
of.
like a jellyfish, or like an algae.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
or
got you.
like, yeah, it's an acronym. It's a bit of a piss take, really. Biosynthetic, luminescent, occult. I want to say ovogenetic,
Okay.
metamorphosizer.
Nice.
That is descriptive.
That's pretty good.
Thanks, Joe.
Off the cuff. Off the cuff as well.
We got loads of merch this year. Obviously, we've gone in this year though. We've got loads of different designs. I think they're really cool. We got the tees, we got the sweatshirts, we got the totes. So we got caps as well. So that's great. Fun thing here as well. Marco's been busy, kind of doing doing some absolute rock bottom discounting. So you can come and just bring your card, and this is going to be full. It's going to be like Christmas, synth Christmas.
Discount, right.
Discount. I'm trying not to say bargain bucket, but it's basically bargain bucket synths, and that's great.
Nice.
DIY area this year. We've got 4 tables instead of 3, and last year people were saying that maybe they could do with a little bit more light, so each table has got a beautiful floodlight.
Oh, yeah.
So, you're going to be seeing what you're soldering. Everything's great. And then I guess from here, this is just walls and walls and walls of synths, baby. We're going. Just.
What other stages have we got? Got a discussion stage
We've
over
got
here?
lots more stages, so we can definitely.
So yeah, these are still being populated. They'll all be full by tomorrow.
Being populated, So slowly we're filling up, but by tomorrow morning, this is going to be. You won't see any black tablecloth. You're just going to be seeing synths.
Blinky lights.
Yeah. So we go through this way to the discussion stage, and this is where all the panel talks are happening. And something we've changed for this year in the discussion stage, we've kind of flipped everything 90 degrees. So we're hoping it's going to be better for sound because there was a little bit of sound bleed last year.
Oh yeah, so
but,
face it right, got you.
So all the tech is going up here in these booths, and then we've got a lovely raised stage where the panels get to chat it out.
Some lovely, some lovely sofas you've got in as well.
Some beautiful sofas, some beautiful Chesterfields we've got in.
Chocolate brown leatherette, you can't beat it.
Top tier. So yeah, we've got an amazing packed schedule of talks as well this weekend.
All of this stuff is on machinabristronica.co.uk.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Who needs the co?
So while we're talking, tickets are still available? Can
tickets
people
are
get
still
in tomorrow?
available. We are anticipating that our allocation of advanced tickets are going to sell out imminently, maybe even now, but tonight. So if you're watching this at Friday night and you can see that there's tickets on sale, go get them because there's literally hardly any left. There will be a very limited number available on the door across the weekend, but they'll be slightly more in price. So get it now.
And you might have to queue.
So save the drama, save your pennies, and just buy a ticket now. We'd love to see you. So the final stage that we haven't seen yet is the data stage. So we will come down through here, through the middle. You just be walking
this was the last time it was the sort of live coding, wasn't it?
So if the discussion stage is more like panel talks where you can sit and watch a group of experts kind of discuss a particular topic, here is where you're going to come for a more intimate masterclass. So live coding. We've also got how to build instruments out of just pedals. We've got how to approach taking a modular set into a live environment.
Right. Okay.
How can you craft a live set? So this is a much smaller venue. It's all going to be seated, and this is where you come to see one person talk about something that they're really knowledgeable about, and you know.
So this is all still work in progress. I can see a camera on a tripod.
Yeah. But in the next hour or two, this is going to be full of seats. It's going to be we're going to be going. So and that is pretty much it. We've kind of paid attention to a few of the kind of comments from last year. We've increased the amount of seating space. We've tried to, obviously it is a busy kind of noisy place, and we've tried to be as mindful about that as possible. So we've created some little kind of breakout areas outside, and also
there's a lot of this. Is this headphones? A lot of this, or is it?
A lot of it's headphones, but still, when you've got 1,000 or so people in this room, talking, and and some of it isn't headphones. A lot of it is, but it's a noisy room. So we're conscious of that. We've got a pass out system this year as well, so you can leave the venue, kind of take a breather, and come back in. That's absolutely fine. And we've got kind of a few more seating areas, a few more things. We've also got the jam table, which is over there in the corner.
Oh yes, our friends from Dublin. Yeah,
absolutely.
Powered by myVolts, I believe.
Powered by myVolts, absolutely. So the jam table where we've been, wonderfully donated some instruments by Electron, Ableton, Novation, and it's a beautiful table just over there. You can see the sign hanging from the ceiling.
Probably won't be able to pick up on it. Let's head over there now.
Why not? And that's just a place where everyone's going to be on headphones, but you can just get together with your mates or with some strangers and just make some music. We provide the sequencers and the synths. You come with the ideas, and again, just a cool little icebreaker thing where you can meet some people and make some music.
Nice.
Also, we got kids version of that as well. We've got the kids zone here, which is basically the same thing. It's going to be a table full of synths that are really approachable for the young team. Yeah.
Brilliant.
So, loads of stuff going on.
Loads of stuff. Some of the big brands. You see Arturia over there, Verbus,
Arturia,
Electronics.
Focusrite, Novation. We got everything. It's all going on. We got Electron.
So
over there.
brilliant. So give us a bit of the facts, figures, show opening hours.
So we open at 11 a.m. tomorrow on Saturday. We're open. This room is going to be open until 6 p.m. and then the live stage keeps going until 10. The after party after that is unfortunately already sold out, but that's going till late in the night. And then on Sunday we open at 11:30. That's when gates open, and we wrap up at 6 p.m. So yeah,
Brilliant.
that's us. We're ready for a big weekend.
Thank
Thanks
you
for
very
coming,
much.
Nick.
Thank you, Jim.